Hey, welcome back to part 2. Finally got that one off of there. So they're saying kind of have it spread up like this. And then just drop the body down like this. Bring the head up. Like this, they're saying. And then they're saying something like rotate the body again and then put it in. So rotate this body like that. Then you're able to snap that piece in. Then we fold the legs up and over itself. So kind of up and over itself like this. But that doesn't really make much sense. Unless those pieces are supposed to be out. Nope. What the heck, HASBRO? Okay, then we make sure we push them down and they semi-tab in. Do not actually tab in. Well, one side is. I don't know why the other side is not tabbed in. There we go. So then you just force and tab that in, like they say, and then for the arms, make sure that they tab in, and everything goes in the front. So these are supposed to come back here and tab in. So this little tab is supposed to tab into there, kind of like that, and the front piece is supposed to tab in to this tab over here. Something kind of like that. Okay, then turn it upside down and pop the guns on. So turn it upside down, pop out the little landing gear from underneath the little nose cone, take the guns apart, and which way do the guns pop in here? Honestly, I can't really tell which way the guns pop in. There. The only thing I let the bad toy. Now the bad toy they show that they're slightly different, so where do these pet? I know where they pet in, but I guess it's this one would pet underneath this wing, and vice versa. The other one would pet underneath the other wing. And it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of detail on there and stuff. And then we just open that up, which is a lot easier to open up in vehicle mode than it is in its Titan mode. Let's see, how do we get the little Titan in there? It says she just slides in, and that's it. So Come on, get in there. He doesn't really want to sit straight. He kind of wants to sit side saddle for some reason. So there you go. He's in there. Close it down. Make sure all these things are there. And there it is in its vehicle jet mode. Which looks pretty awesome, I would say. Pretty awesome. Also, if you don't like the way how Triggerhappy looks, along with Blowpipe, you can head over to Toy Hats, link down below in the description, and pick yourself up some stickers so it could become Samato Titan and Headmaster. I think there's like 1 or 2 or 3 different sticker sheets for it. But yeah, you could definitely change it from Blowpipe and Triggerhappy to some other characters. Link down below in the description to toyhats.com if you want to pick up the sticker sheet to swap it out for a whole new Titan. Although I think this one's pretty good. Could use a little bit more paint app details, but you know, that's what the stickers are for from Toy Hats and stuff. So yeah, remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.